Good morning, science fans, and welcome back to your weekly dose of the biggest science stories. We've got a packed show for you today, from interstellar visitors and stranded astronauts to a bombshell declaration from one of the Godfathers of AI. So grab your coffee and let's dive right in. First up, the news that has everyone looking to the skies. With the US government shutdown finally over, NASA is about to drop what could be the most breathtaking images we've ever seen of the Interstellar Comet. 3-1 Atlas. These aren't just any snapshots. They were captured by the super powerful high-res camera on the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. We're talking about a potential resolution that could blow Hubble's previous images out of the water. This is a huge deal, and we're expecting these pictures to reveal incredible new details about this mysterious visitor. So, what exactly is 3I-ATLAs, and why is the entire scientific community buzzing about it? Well, it's only the third interstellar object ever detected in our solar system. That means it's not from around here. It's a traveler from another star system somewhere else in our Milky Way galaxy. Imagine the stories it could tell. Scientists are still trying to pinpoint its exact birthplace. It could have come from the Milky Way's thin disk or its older, more chaotic thick disk, depending on its origin. This comet could be over 7 billion years old. To put that in perspective, that's more than 3 billion years older than our own sun. It's like a time capsule from the early days of our galaxy. This ancient traveler is a true giant. It's about 7 miles wide, roughly the size of Manhattan. It's absolutely blazing through our solar system at a mind-boggling speed of over 130,000 miles per hour. Just a couple of weeks ago, it made its closest approach to the sun, and now it's headed for its closest flyby of Earth on December 19th. What makes 3I Atlas so fascinating are its peculiar properties. Its chemical makeup is unusual, and its surface has been transformed by billions of years of exposure to cosmic rays. This has given it a unique, irradiated coma, that's the fuzzy envelope of gas and dust surrounding it. Amateur astronomers are already capturing stunning images of its intricate tail structure as it sheds this material across our solar system. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. You've probably heard the rumors and speculation. A large, fast-moving object from another star system. And yes, it's emitting radio signals. Before you jump to conclusions, it's important to know that these types of radio signals are actually typical for all comets. But that hasn't stopped some from suggesting that 3I Atlas could be some kind of alien probe. While that's almost certainly not the case, the scientific excitement is very, very real. Studying this comet gives us an unprecedented opportunity to learn about the conditions around other stars, the history of our galaxy, and the vast, unknown frontier of interstellar space. It's a genuine piece of another world right here in our backyard. I'll be keeping a close eye on those new NASA images, and will bring you a full breakdown as soon as they re-released. From the far reaches of space, let's turn our attention to a developing situation much closer to home, or at least low Earth orbit. 3 Chinese astronauts, the crew of Shenzhou 21, are currently stuck aboard the Tiangong Space Station. Their intended ride home, the Shenzhou 20 capsule, was used to return the previous crew, leaving them without a safe return vehicle. This is a serious situation. While the astronauts are safe for now, having a reliable escape craft is a critical safety requirement for any space station. Think of it as a lifeboat. Without one, any emergency, whether it's a fire, a depressurization event, or a collision with space debris, becomes exponentially more dangerous. In response, Chinese space authorities are working around the clock to prepare an uncrewed replacement craft, Shenzhou 22, for an emergency launch. This mission is being fast-tracked ahead of schedule to get a new lifeboat to the station as soon as humanly possible. It's a race against time and a stark reminder of the inherent risks of human space. We are wishing the Shenzhou 21 crew a safe and speedy resolution. And finally, we shift from the cosmos to the digital universe, where a true giant of the field has just made a controversial and game-changing declaration. Yann LeCun, Meta's former chief AI scientist and one of the godfathers of AI, has stated that large language models, or LLMs, are essentially a dead end. Coming from a pioneer who won a Turing Award for his work on neural networks, this is a massive statement. LLMs are the technology behind tools like ChatGPT and Gemini. They work by training on vast amounts of text data to predict the next word in a sequence. According to LeCun, this approach has a fundamental flaw. It doesn't give AI a true understanding of the real world. He argues that these models lack common sense and the ability to reason, plan, or remember things in a human-like way. They're brilliant mimics, but they don't actually get asterisk it. He compares their limitations to trying to learn to drive a car by only reading books about it without ever getting behind the wheel. So, what's the alternative? LeCun is championing a new approach called world models. The idea is to build AI systems that learn by observing the world, like a baby does. These models would build an internal, intuitive understanding of how the world works, the laws of physics, cause and effect, and the consequences of actions. This, he believes, is the only path toward creating true artificial general intelligence, or AGI, an AI with human-like cognitive abilities. It's a bold claim that challenges the very foundation of the current AI boom, and it's sparking intense debate across the entire tech industry. And that's a wrap on this week's biggest science news. From ancient comets to stranded astronauts and the future of AI, it's clear the universe, both real and digital, never fails to surprise us. What story fascinated you the most? Let us know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. We'll see you next week.